811, Miss Dig.
That's right. That's right. So, can you tell me why is it good that people use Miss Dig in Michigan?
Well, number one, you don't want to freaking screw up all your electrical. You don't want to screw up any of your plumbing. You don't want to screw up anything. Your cable systems, whatever. You call Miss Dig. They come in. They mark it all before you build your deck.
Do you work in Miss Dig?
No, I do not.
He sounds like it.
No, I do a lot of home improvement, so we always call Miss Dig before we do anything.
So he knows what's going on. Thank you, sir.
All right, you're welcome. Have a great day.
What number do you dial if you want to do any type of excavation in Michigan?
I think that would be 811.
That's correct.
Thanks for watching Miss Diggs. What's the 811? Remember, always be smart, be safe, and call Miss Dig 811 before you dig.